First, we start off with someone who has pretty long dark hair. The stylist places the hair in rubber bands and proceeds to cut the hair into a bob haircut. So it looks like the stylist ended up giving her a beautiful angled bob. She has so much volume within this cut. Absolutely gorgeous transformation. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to check out the latest and the hottest hair trends. Here we see another long to short transformation, and then we move on to the next one. So she also has pretty long hair. The stylist does cut the hair. Looks like she is going with one of this season's hottest hair trends, and that is of course a shaggy haircut. Beautiful bangs were added as well. Beautiful feather texture layers throughout. Absolutely gorgeous. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a like, and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Here we see another haircut makeover complete with some color. She also has beautiful feather bangs here going in the front. Great way to get some volume to the hair. So then we move on to the next transformation. Looks like she is making her way to a pixie haircut. So she has more of that choppy style pixie with this one. Nice fringe style bangs in the front. Beautiful texture that the stylist created throughout. Moving on, we do see another long to short transformation. So it looks like she's going to be getting a lob or a bob haircut with this one. Beautiful angled bangs, gorgeous texture. And then we see someone on the younger side getting their haircut. So she also ended up getting some highlights as well. Very inspiring. I love how the highlights, the color mixture is perfect for someone her age and not too bold or distracting. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these hairstyles with me. If you did, please be sure to give this one a like, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.